Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt and Mama Blue Shirt here. We're walking down to get our bikes and it's a beautiful morning, about 65 degrees I think.
Yeah, sunshiny.
Sunshine, that's the main thing.
Yep.
It makes it a lot different when the sun's out.
Yeah, my knee feels better.
And her knee's getting better. She's walking almost normal. Almost normal.
My back hurts today though, I was telling him. Man.
I love old people.
Yeah. Oh well.
We just gotta keep going though. That's the main thing.
Yeah. That's what I was telling Papa.
Have aches and pains and all that kind of stuff, but I'm sure you don't want to hear about all that. But
yeah.
we're gonna go ride our bike today, and we're gonna loosen up and feel real good about it, and we're gonna take you along for the ride. So let's go get our bikes. Oh, that was a fun ride. That was a fun ride, Ma.
What?
That was a fun ride.
Yeah. It felt like it moved. Did you tighten it back up?
Yeah.
Okay, well maybe it just, when I was riding it went up.
Well, just a second. How many miles you got, Ma?
3,657 miles.
All right. We just dusted her seat so she could be a little bit more comfortable, hopefully. Hopefully that'll work. Now we're gonna go on our 20-mile bike ride. Mile bike ride. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Here's Bryce starting. 6:42, add 7,000 on there. These are the days it makes you feel good. Those cold days that you rode, this makes up for it because it's just so beautiful. So we're gonna go and we're gonna have a blast, and the adventure starts now. Crossing the road up there. There it is. Kitty cat. No. Oh, nice day. Nice day. Oh, I love going down this hill. Don't like going up it though. Oh, that's a blast of cold air. A lot cooler down here in the bottoms. Look kind of like a low-lying area. Whew, a bunch of birds scared me. And a lot cooler down here. A lot cooler. It's probably 10 or 15 degrees. It's unreal how that works. Get out here in the summer and get warmed up again. I see it. there's a car coming up behind us. Well, they poured the foundation for their house up here. I don't know why they didn't put a storm shelter in. Not that I could see anyways. I certainly would have. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yep, they're doing all the inside work on that house now. The house, the whole roof was tore off, and so they rebuilt it. Oh, I like these back roads. Usually you don't see a car on them. If you do, it gets kind of hairy because it's a little narrow, but especially if it's a truck. About the only trucks we see are farm trucks, so. Gravel! Loose gravel! Beautiful spring morning. Almost to summer, but not quite. I'm way back there, huh? So do you think your bike is as fast as it was?
No, it's faster.
Oh, that's
At
cool.
least it says I'm going 30. And I never reached 30 before.
Uh-huh.
Takes me a little while because I can't see.
I think a vehicle's coming that way.
Might be out on the main road.
Nice hills here. Nice hills here. I met the school bus on this corner once, scared me out to death. But I think school's out, so I don't have to worry about that. A couple days ago, there was a deer up in this field. Seen them today. You can see this hill here. This is a nice hill. See how fast we can go coasting on this hill. Woo! It's just like a park down here. Chicken barn here. Depending on which way the wind's blowing, it can get pretty thick through here sometimes. Try to hold my breath until I'm past it. But it seems like the wind's blowing away from it today, so at least I'm not smelling nothing yet. Those chicken barns, they stink. They really do stink. And if you went into a chicken slaughterhouse, you probably would never eat chicken again. It's not a pretty sight. Yeah. Trying to go back here to my bridge to nowhere and watch the train go by. I can hear it. I couldn't see it. Those flat cars. Yeah, I wonder why I couldn't see it down there. This is the bridge to nowhere. Look how bad this road is. I think probably 2 cars go across this a year. $1.6 million. Yeah. Yep. Something how far ahead they can get just by you stopping just for like a minute. They keep on keeping on, and boy, they just walk right away from you. Now they're butchering a cow back there again. That's always fun to see the first thing in the morning. Coming along real good in their house, looks like. There they are. They waited for me a little bit here so I could catch up.
It's such a beautiful day.
Oh boy, it's nice. A little bit warmer down here when we come through the first time. There's a blast of cool air, but it feels good. Kind of feels good, actually. Oh yeah, I don't have to go to a park very much. I live kind of in a park. I do like to go once in a while, but I sure like riding these back roads. Yeah, this is that hill that I rode down that I like. Now I gotta go up it. This is where the girls will catch up to me because I can't go as fast going uphill. Because mine's only 36 volt and I weigh 50 pounds more than they do. So I don't do as good on the hills. On the way up anyways. On the way down I do pretty good. Yeehaw! Oh yeah. This is sure nice. Wind's blowing back at me, so I'm not getting up the speed I usually do. And this is the train tracks that that train was on. One time I met a train right here, it scared me half to death. scared me half to death. Look out. Yeah. Yeah, the girls will probably catch me on this hill too. .663 had 7,000 miles on there. There's Mama.
Hi. 21.4.
21.4. Well, you did more than me, even though I went further.
Well, I had a mile before I started
Oh, okay.
on my
That's
road.
why.
Going
That's
back
why.
and forth.
Yep.
As you were
I had
down here.
20.3 miles.
Oh, well, not too much then.
No.
Different.
Snake!
Where? Scared me so bad.
I scared Mom. So we get to walk up.
She said a snake.
I scared her so bad.
Dad's had snakes. There's a bunch of them. Dad's had snakes in his garage before, long ones. I mean, huge ones. I found them in there. He's found them in there. So she goes, it's completely dark to me because my eyes are still adjusting. And she goes, a snake! And I'm like, ah! And I about knocked her bike over.
I know, I got it on camera.
Oh.
That's why I did.
Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.